lucky what he's got. It's one of those. Thought I might invest in a camera for some of these YouTube videos. So this is an unboxing video, which I haven't done before, so let me know what you think at the end, once you've obviously watched the video. So I've not opened this yet. This is the first time on the camera. This is the Canon, what was it, EOS M100. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm no camera aficionado. Don't need those. You know, for you photographers out there, probably thinking what a waste of ooking money. But you know what? It's better than what I'm currently using. So here we go. So UK. Oh, it's a UK mains cable. Ooh. Not a European. Get rid of that. Right. Okay. Yeah. So get mains cable. Got some funky looking straps. What else we got? Can't really see what I'm doing here. So what's this? This would be, now for this camera you do actually have a detachable lens, which is one of the reasons why I bought it, because the camera body is not too bad, and the pixel, the video processor or chip, whatever you want to call it, is not bad. Then generally you can improve by upgrading your lens that you have. Obviously this is the kit lens that comes with. I think it's 15 to 45 millimeters, which means really nothing to me. I suppose that's focal range. I don't know. So that's the lens. Yeah. Obviously this is not a digital SLR. It's not intended to be. It's something I wanted to use for these YouTube videos that I'm planning on creating. So this camera does 60 frames a second, doesn't do 4K, which I'm not too fussed about, because at the end of the day it takes up too much space anyway when you're uploading to YouTube and stuff. So this is a quick look at the camera body itself. That's the top view, that's the front of it, and obviously you have the chip lens in there, which is quite a large chip, so hopefully it performs well in low light levels. At low light levels, there you go. There's a bit of light on it, might be a bit better. Needs to be a bit further down, so we'll have a look at that in a moment. I'll put that to one side. What else do we have? We have battery charger, which to me always look, especially the Canon line, their chargers are always very similar. I have a grey version of this for my PowerShot SX280HS. There we go. Tiny battery. Again, I don't know what size that is. Let's have a look. Just take a peek. It's got a nice little cap on it, so it's shorting in the box, you know, with all this metal stuff around it. Oh yeah, you're not going to. I don't think you're going to see that. Oh, you might do. Yeah, it's one of them. It's a battery. I get it up the right way, which is still not the right way. Get it up the red way. Does it say capacity? I can't read that for crap. So, there we go. It's 875 milliamp hour, 7.2 volt. Okay. So yeah, nothing else really in the box. It's just a box, you know. Start shooting straight away at blah 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 dot blah 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 dot blah and all that jazz. So yeah, pretty nifty box. Doesn't really tell you much detail on the box. Obviously English, German, French, you know, all the prerequisite crap. So a bit better lighting. I can show you a bit better the actual camera body. So let's get up the right way, shall we? Those in HD might be able to see this better. I'm looking on my screen and I can't really see what the preview looks like, but sorry if you can't see it. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's quite weighty, and this retails at $329. I got it for $310. which, you know, you tell me if it's good or bad. I don't know. I don't buy cameras. It's not my forte, unfortunately. Let's have a little look at the strap. Can't talk now all of a sudden. Spent too much money, that's what it is. Withdrawal symptoms. Yeah, so battery and the charger and the figure 8 cable that you get supplied. So I'm figuring that I'm going to have to charge this up before I use it. Very unlikely you're going to have enough charge to actually power this on. So as I say, let's give you a couple of bit better shots somehow. This camera's not great. This is the one I'm using at the moment, is my what is it, Logitech 4K Stream Edition Brio, which I think I did a video on, so have a look at that. I may link it down below. It's not bad. If you do close-up stuff with this camera, it's always it's also good if you use the manual focus and you come up right close. At the moment I've got manual focus just because it keeps like sort of trying to autofocus every time I move, so I turn it off just to save the bloody video shuddering all over the place. But yeah, the Brio is quite a good camera for, you know, sort of web capture and stuff, but I just wanted to get a bit more detail in like the circuit boards that I'm going to be looking at and all the electronics and small components. A bit more of a range of focus and HDR, which I think this does support. Well, that's a flip up doodly what's it. That's good. You're taking a selfie. Does it rotate? I'm not going to try, I'll probably end up breaking it. But that's not bad. So you've got a LCD screen that flips up the opposite way. So you've got a selfie kind of mode action. This I don't think comes with any additional functions that you can muck about with when it comes to shooting video, which to me, that doesn't bother me at all. I just want to press record and record videos. You know, I'm not worried about all settings being on auto. So if you're a camera connoisseur, and obviously DSLR camera fanboys, then you're probably going to scream at me for buying this. But I don't care, as long as it fits the job and fits the purpose that I want to use it for, I can't really give a crap. So yeah, so that's a nice look at the Canon EOS M100. Don't ask me for the specs, I haven't got a bloody clue. As long as it's got a lens on it, which it has, which it comes with, I'm not too fussed. So I'll put that there. And this is the lens. I'll say this is the kit lens that comes with, so it's not going to be fantastic. But again, if it suits your needs, it suits your needs. I don't think it looks too bad, to be fair. There's the details on the front if you guys want to have a look at what the specs are. But yeah, so I say 300 and what did I say, £310 I got this for. Video test coming soon.